Hi, I'm Kathy. This is my mom, Kitty. Mom was diagnosed many years ago with kidney disease. Her doctors had told her throughout her whole life that kidney disease was not curable. And just over a year ago, her kidney disease was transferring from stage 3 into stage 4, and she wasn't that far away from having to go on dialysis, which was not something that she wanted to do. So I put her in touch with Dr. Randi Shannon down in Florida. She put Mom on a protocol, and I'll let Mom discuss it from here.
Yeah, she put me on the protocol and all vitamins and minerals. I got rid of my kidney disease, high blood pressure, AFib, and my eyes are even better because I had macular degeneration. I'm feeling real good, and my doctors are astounded that I've come this far in such a short time. And I feel wonderful. I do everything I want to do when I want to do it, and no grass grows under my feet. Thank you.
She's going to be 93 in just a few weeks. Thank you.